What's up, happy people, and welcome back to Fishing Adventures with Jethro DD. So guys, another day, another fishing adventure here in Qatar. So today we have a visitor, and his name is Mr. Abdullah, and he's from the land that I called my second home, Qatar. So he's from Qatar, but unfortunately I cannot show his face because there are some he don't want. But his good friend Dia from France. Okay, so we are in touch of player, and today also going with us is the Habagat anglers. Okay, Habagat lady anglers. Okay, so that's our boat now. So clean already?
Hey, ready.
Ready now? Ay, wah.
Arabi malum?
Huh?
Arabi?
Arabic?
Hey.
No. English only, English. And of course, that's our brother Hussein from Bangladesh. And by the way, guys, he will be our captain today. What's your good name?
Nayan.
Nayon?
Hey.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Nayon from Bangladesh also. So he's our captain today because Hussein is already Karban. Okay. Okay guys, so biyahe na po tayo. So ito kasama pa natin yung mga Habagat anglers, oh. Ay grabe naman yan.
Right.
Yung mga
Thank you sa
solar
ating
power.
very generous brothers.
Oh. He don't know what to say.
Wala pa na to.
Okay.
ID. Meron pang
Saka ako nagdito. Nawala yung isang. Diba, ilagay mo dyan sa'yo, nawala yung sa akin. Isa? Oo, nawala. Nakakulog. Isang hulog na.
may nag-message sa Telegram natin.
Okay na sila. Okay, bro. Best spot.
Dadagdagan pa to ng ano. Kailangan dadagdagan ng tingkyan. Pero yung kaso, binuhol mo pa.
Ay, oh, good. Sa problem here. Sinaga. Water, so, huh? Drink water. No, it's hot.
Wala tayong magawa. Tapos kinagatan siya ng 10D ng 2 digit. Wala na.
Wag yung isang sakong bigas. Hayop na yan.
Pati yung feeling niya kasi.
May mga kumakagat pero maliit.
Wala pa kang video dyan?
Ano yan, jigging?
24 hours na.
That's what you want. Come on, you can do it, man. Stop. Stop. Yes. Yes. Wait. Up. Reel. Down. Stop. Wait. Reel. Stop. Up. Reel. Up. Reel. Yeah, that's how it goes. Yeah. Come on, man! Stop. Pick it up. When you reel that down, yeah. You
Ayan o, ayan o.
That's Chuck. Chuck.
Hey, Lala, friend,
Another
friend,
queen.
queen.
Jig. Come on, jig. Ay, wow! Whee!
Yan ba yung karen? Brother, usap ka doon. You go there with the basta. Bait ko muna to baka Nahilo ako.
Ha?
Nahilo ako dun sa pagbukol.
Queen.
Walang king. Pag natanggal mo, pinatanggal mo.
Come on, boy. Woo!
Uy,
Okay, no? Okay.
ayan, pwede ka.
Okay.
Wala pa yan dito.
One queen, wala. Maliit. Okay. One down. Hey, my friend Dia!
Maglalay na ba
His
tayo?
big fish! His
Ayan
first
ako.
fish.
We going?
Sandali. Dito na muna kasi nakakahuli pa naman.
Kaya nga dito na.
Okay. Sherry. Dia also got okay, our first king, guys. A first king from Mr. Abdullah. And Dia also have. Bro, take this big sherry now. Here. Big sherry. Put it up.
Kayo.
Wow, mashallah, big one. Woo! Nice. No. Put it inside. Yeah. Yeah. Give to him. Yeah. We will clean. Just wait.
Laki oh.
Wow, big one.
Loose line.
Yeah.
Daily fish yan. Tuloy to. Hindi ba yung kain? Tumbot na to. Meron. Palagyan ko mamaya yan.
Bal!
Kanina si
Hey.
Bacon Wait siya, nalulungkot siya. Ngayon, natunasin siya malungkot tayo.
Okay.
So, yan. Para lang tayo nasa balsa. Enjoying the fish. Ayun na siya. Pero na lang. Nakapuluto na.
Wag mo muna iangat. 2, 3. Oh, mashallah! Oh, di ba idea? 5 pieces. Okay.
But it's cold down here, brother.
Eat.
Sa dalampasigan ng Qatar, maagang gumigising ang araw. Bitbit ang kanyang pamingwit, may pangarap na dala-dala. Tahimik ang hangin sa umaga, alon ay sumasabay sa